Okay, everyone, I am really sick and tired of kids messing with fire alarms in schools of all kind. I am sick and tired of that. The reason why I am sick and tired of kids messing with fire alarms in schools of all kind is because what those kids are doing is putting the lives of everybody in the school and outside of the school at risk. Those kids that mess with fire alarms in schools of all kind should be suspended, expelled, grounded by their parents, and if 18 years old and older, should be fined and arrested because it is a felony to mess with fire alarms in schools and in every public building. I am sick and tired of this. This must stop. Stop treating fire alarms like toys because they are not toys. They are life safety devices. So stop messing with them if you have been messing with them, and never ever mess with them at all if you have not been messing with them because you are smart. Don't start messing with them. Bye.